Whenever I finished my GCSEs, I started level 2 apprenticeship fabrication and welding. It's a 2-year course. It's up in the Nudge Corner Professional Skills Centre. Yeah, so the tech has a close contact with employers. I found my job with Fabric through tech, you know. Well, I chose the apprenticeship route because it opens up so much opportunity to go work and also learn at the same time. Because you're working 4 days a week and getting paid, and you also get paid for the day you're in tech. You know, at the Professional Skills Centre, you can't complain about that.
I got into the Fabrication Welding apprenticeship through SERC, Lisburn. I came straight out of school and went into my level 2 of milling and turning. However, the career opportunities weren't quite there at the time, and I was more drawn towards level 3 welding and fab, and it opened up careers for me everywhere. And I've started building plenty of experience, and I'm loving it a lot more. I chose the apprenticeship route as it opens up career opportunities straight off the bat. I can build my experience while still learning in SERC 1 day a week and in employment 4 days a week. I get to build skills on machinery and pick up skills off other operators that are teaching me, like my tutor.
The benefits of the apprenticeship program for me are that I get to go to work and get real industry experience, and then 1 day a week I get to come into tech with lecturers that have years of industry experience as well. This will give me the opportunity to progress in the industry and hopefully move on to a higher position.
I think the benefits of the apprenticeship program are you get an employment straight off the bat, which means you're getting paid for coming to SERC essentially, and you get trained on the latest equipment that employers bring in. The benefits of the apprenticeship program are I'm getting my experience while still learning, which will boost me in the future for any path that I decide to take. I get to work with the latest technology and machinery and work, learning new skills every day.
The benefits of the apprenticeship course is obviously you're learning skills every day that you wouldn't learn anywhere else. And you learn about all the machines, and learn how to weld, and you're not going to get that anywhere else. It's an art. Fabrication and welding is an art, and to really master it, you have to learn every day. After I finish my level 3, my future plans are to stay on with my employer, because I want to get the most experience I can out of that. I also have the opportunity to stay on with further education, to go up the ladder and do level 4. But for me personally, I'd rather stay with my employer and, get the most experience I can and get, maybe go self-employed one day.
My future plans, I would like to advance into a higher level apprenticeship, eventually trying to get into teaching, furthering my skills any way I can to better my career. In SERC, we use a range of equipment. We use all this equipment to support our qualification and our learning. We use equipment as far as MIG welders and TIG welders. We also use saws, grinders, brake presses, CNC, plasmas, and milling and turning machines. And as far as pipe benders